Hello everybody, this is Juan from Sentinel SL. Today I would like to present you guys another laminating machine, BM03. I've already explained to you guys about the BM01, the portable one, the BM02, the one you can put on the table. So this is the BM03 here. So the first impression that we have, this one you can put on the floor because the BM02 you have to put on the table. This one has, you can put on the floor. It comes with this drawer. You can leave the some Olga film, the glass, and also the cleaning clothes here inside. So this is the ionizer gun. Later, I will explain to you guys the function of this gun. But now we just have the overlook of this machine. So this area, because when I explained to you guys about the BM02 has this working area. But this one, BM03, is kind of bigger. This working area is bigger. I think it's at least like a 15 centimeter bigger, this area. And also it has the lamp like BM02. And here all the button, every button is it's the same as the BM02. But later I will explain to you guys, so don't worry. Even though it has the same function, but I will explain to you guys. Now I would like to show you guys what is how to connect this machine, and also we're gonna switch on the machine, and later I will explain to you guys the function of each button, also this ionizer gun. Okay, come this side closer. Let's open the back here. So let's open it. Okay, this one. See? So this machine BM03, the vacuum pump is already pre-installed. It's not like the other BM01 or 2, the pump is separated. But this one, the pump is already pre-installed. And here, it's like the other two, the vacuum pump, the oil, we cannot follow the transportation policy. I cannot ship it because they don't accept it. So when you receive the machine, you need to buy this vacuum pump oil by yourself. It's not included. Actually, it's not. If you cannot find a vacuum pump oil, you can find the machine oil for car engine. So it's very easy to get it, I think. Especially in some countries, the car is there. Almost every family you have car, 1 or 2 cars. So this area is all the cables, very organized everything. Okay, this part is this yellow part. You just can open it. You can open it. And this part, this here is for the vacuum pump oil. So here you can see a window here. Can you guys see this? The window here. So it has the minimum, the maximum. Minimum and maximum. You can just feel it, you can check the window here. So here I'm gonna put a little bit just to show you guys how to use it. That's it. Okay, I'm already put the vacuum pump oil inside. Can you guys see here what's the status? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna close now let's close this part. Now this is the vacuum. This is the compressor. Actually, we have this one. We sell in our company. We sell this compressor, but this compressor is not a special one. You can just get it in your country. So let's see what's the characteristic of this compressor. This compressor is 840 watts and 0.8 MPa. This is the 105 liters per minute. 52 liters of this tank. Actually, this one is very powerful. You can get a less powerful compressor in your country, and it's very cheap in your country, I think. You can just get a cable. This is the tube. So just here you have this is the switch. Here the tube, just the connect here. So this the size of the mini. The size is like 8. It's 8 millimeter. Okay. So here, this part is we call this vacuum pump smoke exhaust hole. That means sometimes when the vacuum pump is working, it has some smoke coming out. So you can just look at this. This is the tube we prepared for you, but it's not that annoying. If you think it's okay, you don't have to connect this one. But if you think the smoke is it's kind of annoying, you just can connect this one here, the tube here, just this one, because it's very long. Okay, you can just put guide the smoke outside of your working area. So the other side from here. So this is the power cable. This power cable works with 220 volt to 240. So this cable just connected, and this connect to the switch. So now here, come closer. So this is the power button. Actually, normally it comes like this off, but you have to turn it on, switch it on. Okay, now let's come to this part. So here, this is this power switch. You have to turn it on. Turn it on. Just wait a second. First, this is the system self. Just give a second. Just choose the system. Okay, now let's take a close look at those every button, also the touch. So there are like two parts. This part is for the OC laminating. It means that you can apply the auger on the glass, this side, all the buttons, all the meters. And this part is for the LCD laminating. That means you can this part, the pressure and also the time, and also the pressure and the meter and everything is for the laminating the glass with the LCD. So firstly, let's see this part. This is the auger laminating. You can see here. So here, actually, you can choose the automatic and also manual. So normally we just choose the automatic mode. So for the auger laminating, actually you can choose here. So clear, you choose 1. So this means now this machine is for applying auger. So let's move on this side. So come this side. Now you can see this is the pressure 0.5. Actually this is for applying auger. So for applying auger, we have the flat one, and for iPhone we still have another one for the curved screen. So the 0.5 is for, we normally use this pressure for curved screens. But if you want to use it for iPhone, for applying the auger on iPhone, just choose here. We just use it for the 0.4. So normally we do like this. And here the temperature is 50. Normally we just leave it. Okay, this is smoke time. Smoke time is like almost 45 seconds. Actually, normally we don't need that long time. So it just we normally set it for around 30 seconds. Also for the holding time, you can set it for 25 or 30 seconds. Not, let's say 25 seconds, okay, for the flat screen. For the curve, you can set a little bit more, 5 seconds more. For example, 35 for curve, 30 for curve. This smoke time means the time the vacuum pump works. Means the take out the suction time. The holding time means the hot plate, because you can see here, just come down here. So this is the hot plate. That means this is a hot plate. Now it's like 50 degrees. As you can see, so this is hot. So it means this part with this because you're gonna have for example, you can have glass here. Okay, means the auger and the glass. The holding means the laminating time. Okay. Okay, now let's see the other side of this machine. So this side I already explained to you guys. That is for the LCD laminating. Just click here, choose 2. So now this is for the LCD. For the LCD, actually for iPhone, we just set it for, this is almost a 0.3. This is for curved screen, for S6 edge, 7 edge. For the iPhone, we just lower the pressure because we don't want to break the LCD. You don't need that high pressure. You may break the LCD. So just remember, 0.2 is for iPhone, 0.3 is for curved screen, for edge. And now let's set for the time. You see here we have like the temperature is 50. Actually, sometimes 50 or 45 is okay. It's not a big deal. So smoke time is the vacuum time. So this is holding. I already explained to you guys. Normally for iPhone, 30 and 20 is okay. You can still, or you can lower a little bit to 25. It's okay. For 20, it's okay. For the curved screen, we suggest you guys, for example, the holding time. For iPhone, from 20 to 25 is okay. For curve, it's around 25, maximum 27. Don't put too long. If you put like 35 seconds, 50 seconds, you may break the LCD, remember. So let's repeat. The pressure for iPhone, 0.2. For edge, 0.3. The temperature, 50. Let's say 50. The smoke time, the hold time for iPhone, let's say 30 and 20. For the curve, 35 and 25. So it's gonna be okay for the laminating, for the LCD laminating. So now let's see here. So this lamp, because you can see you have a glass, you can see if there is any dust on it. So this lamp you can see here with a lamp. So because here you can see like English lamp, just press it. So this one will switch on. This lamp is closed. Switch off, switch on. So this is the wind speed. This means that because we have a filter here for the dust. So speed 1, you can hear the sound. Means the filter is working. The wind speed 2. So this is just like two different speed of the filter. So you just choose 1 is stronger, choose 2 is kind of not that strong. It's more soft, so you can hear the sound. Okay, now we have already explained to you guys the button and also the pressure and also the time. So let's see here. This button is for now the here state LCD panel. So just press this one. Now it will start working. See? Now it's working. You can hear, right? Okay, this is the emergency button. For example, I just want to stop it. Then now I stop it. Clear the file. Yes. Reset. Okay. Okay. Now let's come to this side. For example, I just want to laminate the auger. Just to choose 1. Enter. Let's press here. Now it's the whole process is for the applying auger. Okay, I just don't want to waste our time. Just clear the file, reset. That's it. So now this lamp I already explained to you guys, the button, also everything, the touch panel I have already explained to you guys. So this ionizer gun. So what's that for? So this gun, because the BM02 we don't have this gun, but BM03 comes with this gun. This ionizer gun is for getting rid of the static, because you know the static may cause the dust problem. So just with this one, I can get rid of the dust on it. Also get rid of the static, because static like attracts all the dust on it. I clean this area, and also see there is any dust on the glass. See, myself I can clean it. Just to make sure no static. You see, because this is the the dust is like enemy when we enemy of the LCD repair. Because if there is a dust on a glass on a screen, you cannot sometimes you cannot sell it, or you sell it at a very low price. Means the poor quality. So With this one, you just can avoid this kind of problem. So now here we have like a drawer. You can put an organ, the OC film, the cleaning clothes, also the mold, the glass. You can put something inside. Also, you can put a mold inside. And what is included in this? I mean, the BM03, we sell it with the base. This base is already included. The base and also the mold. One curve. This is the mold for the S6 edge. So you can choose one one mold for curve, one set, or you can choose S6 edge or S7 edge, or you can choose two mold for curve or flat. For example, for iPhone 6 Plus or iPhone 6 Plus or S7 Plus, or you can choose one just a flat. So you can choose two, curve one. And is there anything else I have to explain to you guys? I think that's all. That's everything. That's the explanation about this machine. So later I would like to laminate one S7 edge or one I6 edge with this machine. So we're gonna say how we laminate the curved screen with this machine. So if you have any, everybody, if you have any questions, if you have any thing you want to know, or you want us to make more videos for you, or you want some part think is not clear, you can leave us a comment or just call us. Let us know. We can make the video next time for you. And if you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. You can have the latest video for the LCD repair. And have a nice day or have a good night. Thank you very much. Bye.